this tutorial on Axual platform. My name is Alain and I'll show you how applications can get approvals on streams. It's gonna be a quick one. I've already logged in as users of two different teams. On the left as a member of Team Shield and on the right as a member of Team Avengers. In this scenario, there's already a stream deployed by Team Shield. They want to produce to it and the Team Avengers wants to consume from it. Let me go to the overview. I already see the stream here, it's deployed, it's called the Shield stream. I can click on it and you see there's no applications connected to it and no pending approvals. So I go to the applications and I pick my producer application. It's imaginatively called Shield Producer. I will add a request to produce to the Shield stream on the environment production. I will request approval. Now you see that there is a pending request for this stream. I click the stream and I see the pending request here again. Since I'm a member of Team Shield, I can just click Approve Request. When I click here the overview, you see, hey, the application is available and it can produce to the Shield stream. Now let's do the same with the consumer from Team Avengers. I'll go to the applications, I pick my Avengers consumer and I add a request. I want to be a consumer on the stream, Shield stream, in the production environment. I will request approval. When I now click the Shield stream, there's nothing here. The reason for this is that the user on the right is member of Team Avengers and not member of Team Shield. So I cannot approve it. It is the member of Team Shield who has to approve it. Let me go back. Here I click the stream again. I see the request and I can approve or deny since I am the stream owner. I will approve and now both will see that in their overview the Shield producer can produce and the Avenger consumer app can consume from that stream. Maybe I have second thoughts. As stream owner, I can always, for any given environment, hover over an app that has been allowed, click it and remove it from the environment for whatever reason. Now, when I go to the overview again, you see that the application has been removed. Let me refresh over here. And you see, yes, the approval has been removed. This is how you request approvals. Hope to see you again in another tutorial.